So in this video, we're going to go over the proper mixing steps to hook up the MTS, run it through the mixing system into your sprayer, and then add fresh water. So from this port here, this is where you're going to hook up either a well or a transfer pump or a tanker, something of that nature. You'll throw this valve downward, and that's going to allow you to send that fluid into your tank. Right now on this side of the machine, this valve handle is facing towards the tank. That means that the fluid that's being transferred through from the well is going directly back to the tank at this time. Going back to this side, you fill up your mixing system completely to your 2,000 liter mark or your 500 gallon mark, 600 gallon mark, however you spec your equipment. When you're done filling it with clean water, you shut the valve, you go through your mixing process in the basket. Right now we're in the mixing position and this valve is open. So in order to be able to mix through the tank basket, these are the two positions you need to be in. When it gets time to transfer, you're going to actually throw this handle up and this handle down. And that's going to take all of your supplied volume from the pumps and dump it directly back through the flow meter, back through the valve on that side, and into your transfer line, which can go to your sprayer. So next step, on this side of the machine, as you can see, this is lit up, machine's running, it's full of water. Say we've just transferred water into the system, now we want to do a batch mix. So at this point, we go into the mixing position, open the bypass valve, come to this side of the machine, bring up the RPMs. Turn on the two pumping systems. Wait for the water inside the basket to vacuum out. You shut off the basket ring. That will actually allow it to vacuum out a lot faster. Once it's vacuumed out, you're ready to mix. You also have a feature on this valve, if you notice the handle here, it allows you to be able to mix bottles. So if you look inside here, that allows you to stick a bottle on top and be able to clean out a bottle. You also have the ability just to send water only to the mixing ring. That makes this no longer functional. When you're ready to actually do a mix into the tank of your sprayer, turn off your mixing system at the monitor here. You hook up, first you hook up your connection to the sprayer on your cam lock fill, valve shut. Then you come over here to the controller, you set your desired quantity, or in this case we're in liters. It may be difficult to see, but what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and say we want to do, right now we're at 45.3, that works out to about 50 liters per minute applied. So here now we're ready to start. So with those switches on the console, they have to be turned off in order for this to function properly. So hold this down for 2 seconds, this arrow, and now it's going to start the transfer system. And this will count right to your mix section. So at this point is where you want to go to the sprayer. And as soon as you hear this click off, come back to the machine, you hit escape and it'll reset. So at that point, now the system is off. You're able to now come back to your well, turn the valve down, you can have that pump running. It will literally take and dump your water right back into the tank and do the rest of that mix for you. When you're done with that process, you turn this valve back and you can begin the process all over again.